everybody, it's Trevor from Broth Films. You might be wondering where we are or what we're doing. Well, we drove 300 miles across the East Coast with Michael and Fred to come here to the first Wahlburgers ever built by brother Paulie Wahlburger, while his other brothers Donnie and Mark didn't do shit. Hello?
Hey, Broth, boy, it's me, Mark Wahlberg. I'm here to invite you down to my original Wahlburgers location in Hingham, Mass. It's gonna be great. You can bring your family, you can bring your friends, you can try my mama's meatloaf. It's pretty good, alright? So, come on down, and,
What'd you get, Fred? What'd you get, Fred?
I got the favorite. It's the #1 burger in town. It tastes so delicious. Just watch this.
What'd you get, Mike? What'd you get?
I got Donnie's favorite.
It's good. Lone survivor.
Jalapenos. Just spicy.
You know, if it was me and I had been on that flight, I'm just saying, things would have been different. You would heard some loud noises, maybe some yelling, and then over the loudspeakers just be like, hey, it's me. I don't know how to fly a plane, but you know, I'll get this down safely, and you know, things are gonna be alright.
Okay, so it's really just essential.
You ruined it! You blew it up!
He shot a sniper shot from 1,100 meters away his second day of training classes. You don't think he's gonna get that all-spark and win the war? I'll tell you what, I mean, Jazz, Autobots, Bumblebees, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what kind of car you are. He's a Burgonator. He'll get you.